Thank you sa workshop na na-experience namin today. Favorite part ko sa aming workshop is yung Tikiman Blues, of course, at saka yung saya, yung enjoyment, yung smooth na transition sa discussion and until practical.
It was really an enjoyable experience. Chef A was very nurturing and informative. It was really a wonderful process. The flow was really nice, and we learned how to process meat 7 ways. And I'm really excited to bring this knowledge with me to our cooperative.
Sobrang nag-enjoy kami lahat, hindi lang dun sa natutunan namin, kundi sa food. Favorite ko yung embutido, na before hindi ako mahilig sa embutido. Ngayon talaga, sobrang gagawin ko na siya.
Siyempre maraming salamat po sa mga umattend today sa aking first ever na workshop na face-to-face dito sa The Bailiwick Academy. So kita-kits ulit po tayo dito lang po sa The Bailiwick Academy.